With our societal aims to reach net zero, we're moving away from traditional combustion and relying more on renewables for our energy demand. The issue with renewables is that they're a fluctuating energy source because they rely on the temporal conditions of the unstable weather. We use gas turbines to maintain the stability on the electrical grid that these fluctuations from the renewables induce. The problem with gas turbines is that they traditionally use carbonaceous fuels such as natural gas, and these produce CO2 when they're combusted. My research is focused on developing and understanding how we can convert Pembroke Power Station to run on either a hydrogen blend or pure hydrogen. The reason why this is so good is because when hydrogen's combusted, it produces water rather than CO2 like the traditional carbonaceous fuels. It also means that the 3.5 million homes that Pembroke Power Station can supply power to still get that power but in a much cleaner form. It also maintains the economic viability of Pembroke Power Station, meaning that there is still a high level of work for Wales. Hydrogen is our future, and we have that expertise in Wales.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.